imagine a life without color, sight or light. Tough, right? What if a simple idea, a 3D printer and a spark of compassion can completely change the education for students with visual disabilities? Your favorite place would be workshops or a hardware store. So is that true? And why is there so much of love toward machine, Miquel?
Yeah, that's true.
You have built Nepal's first DIY Braille printer, and we are over the top of mountains. How do you feel about it?
Well, I feel that, yeah, for me, I feel really, really happy.
Yes. So you believe in sustainable development and reuse and recycle?
Yeah, for example, plastic, it's a really good material for being recycled. Also glass. I mean, as much as you can, as much as screws you do, then you have more experience. So I really, I really like to transfer knowledge. It motivates me a lot.
Do you see young Miquel in this students?
Yeah, kind of.
You do?
Could be, yeah. And, my father is an artist. He makes sculptures, so I grow that close to him. My father is like, hey, you are faster than me now, eh? But I said, no, me no. It's only the printer. The printer is the who is working, no, for me. So.